Hey guys, welcome to Adventures with Carlienne. I'm Adrienne, and thanks for joining us on this cooking series where we get to share all of our love in the kitchen. This month we are challenging ourselves to cook a different kind of egg every day. So let's get started.
Recording.
Eggs in a nest. You can call it whatever you want, but this dish is pretty simple. Basically, if you like fried eggs and bread, you got a winner. I like mine with a super runny yolk because that's just how you should eat eggs. So let's get started.